one more Hino truck, but the 6 nut bolt, huh? So I don't know, do you need this or not? It's a 90, I think it's 90, wait, let me see, 98 model. It's a 98 model. It's like a container. It's like a container truck. Okay. You can see the back one. I don't know, the counting is by, anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a container truck, Hino turbo. Okay, and by the way, you can see his cabin. And I don't know this much information are enough for you or not, but anyway, if you have any question, you can ask me more and more, no problem. Okay, because yes, and by the way, they have many other small trucks. Just by the way, I want to show you. It's like a small Hino truck. You can see here is one small Hino truck. It's a 2009. My God, you see, 2009. If you can see here, they wrote by white chalk. It's a 2009. And yes, quite new. Oh, it's not a second hand. It's not the used one. It's a new one. Sorry, it's a new one. And the behind of the back side. This one is a used. All are used. Most of all are used. 2006. I don't know. Can you see it or not? But they have figure over here 2006. It means 2006. Anyway, this is 2005. Behind of that, this truck is 2004. Yes, this one 2004. That's Mitsubishi. Anyway, yes, 2009. This one 99. 2000. No, 1999. Sorry. 1999, yes. Okay, bye.